Today, we'll dive into the concept of measurement, specifically length. What is length? Length tells us how long something is. For example, a pencil is measured using a ruler. If we were to perform this measurement, we would find that it is 12 centimeters long. Key idea is that we would measure the length using different forms of units. Millimeters for very small things, centimeters for small things, and meters for biggest things. A tip for this, which is very important, is to know the conversion between the units. There is 100 centimeters in a meter and 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So, which unit would you use to measure a door? So a door is a fairly large object, so we would in fact want to use meters. Now, which unit would you use to measure a chocolate bar? So a chocolate bar is small, but it's not incredibly small, so we would still use something like centimeters. Now let's test our understanding. A book is 20 centimeters long. That means 20 centimeters is its length. So if a table is 2 meters long, what would its centimeters be in length? So we have to recall our conversion. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So if something is 2 meters long, we would just double this, so we would end up with 200 centimeters. Next example, which is longer, 50 centimeters or 1 meter? So again, we would convert this 1 meter into centimeters. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So now this question just looks like, what is longer, 50 centimeters or 100 centimeters? And obviously the answer would be 100 centimeters. Now for our last two examples, let's convert 3 meters into centimeters. So using the same principle, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, which means 3 meters is going to be 3 times this amount, so 300 centimeters. And now for 1.5 meters into centimeters, so 1.5 is halfway between 1 and 2. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, and 2 meters equals 200 centimeters. Halfway between these two values is going to be 150. That'll be our final answer. And that's all there is to this concept of length measurement. This worksheet you can find in the description will also come with more example questions to reinforce your knowledge.